So they're getting the bus fixed now. Is what you seen Preston did to it. He pretty much destroyed the front end on that thing. So they're getting that fixed up, getting it half presentable. We traveled all day yesterday to get here. It was a 12-hour trip from New York to here to Wayne City, Illinois. We are literally in the middle of a cornfield. As far as the eye can see, it's just cornfield. So that's okay though. Beautiful weather. Couldn't get much nicer than this. And also we found out the issue on my truck. It is the steering pump. It's hard to, doesn't really want to focus. That's the steering pump right there, and that's what went bad. So we're gonna get that changed, and my steering should be back to normal. So let's get to work, guys. Let's get these trucks going, because I believe we do have a pit party coming up here later this afternoon. Okay, so I got it off. This is the steering pump. 2 lines hooked there. And this is your steering pulley. And it's a little tight, tighter than normal. So we get this changed. You gotta take the pulley off, get the new pump out, and change this bracket and get it back on. And clean some fluid out of the lines. It should be pretty much ready to go. So not too big of a fix. It's just annoying that this is what caused all that issues. Steering pump's changed. That's all good to go. I started it up. The steer's fine now. So hopefully it's ready to go tonight. No more steering issues. I just want to get that steering issue behind me. And other than that, guys, I think we're ready to tire up and go to work. But it is hot. It is very hot. I think I'm becoming Canadian, honestly, because I cannot take... Oh, hang on, I got a bug. Got a bug. I cannot take this heat. I am sweating up a storm. Alright, we're going to get this tired up. Let's get this thing going. Alright, I got my truck tired up, it's ready to go, shocks are done, all that. It's just a little dusty. I'm not doing too good in this heat right now, so I'm going to lay down for a little bit and relax. We got a pit party coming up, I think, at 6 o'clock, so I'm just going to go relax. Like I said, the heat's just really getting at me. I don't do too good in the heat, so I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're heading out to driver's meeting. Get out of here. No. We're heading out to driver's meeting, see what we got to do today. What we should hit, shouldn't hit, and things like that. But you just want to be in there, don't you?
Yeah, why not? Why not? I mean, why is it? Why are you so against me being in your little video thing?
That right there.
Oh, because of this.
Yeah, it's because of that.
I think people would rather have me in your videos because of this.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, I think so. I think so. The Storm and Norman.
Leave in the comments what you think, guys. All right, let's go out here and find out what we got to do and what we can't do.
Let's see. Yeah, they're watering the track right now, man. Getting this thing all right.
A big dust bowl out here in the Midwest.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that water truck out there.
Look at that water truck.
Dumping it, man.
Look at that water truck watering out there. What do you fellas think of the track?
You know, it's something else.
He's scared. He's intimidated.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not.
No, no, how to do poppers. So, Bigfoot, sorry.
He's not allowed, man.
But
I don't think so, man. But you know, Bigfoot. Hey, but you know what? Bigfoot keeps it old school. That's what makes it. That's what makes everybody love Bigfoot still, right? I think so. I think so. You know.
That's what you want to believe.
Yeah. You know, hey, monster trucks to me, they're for crushing cars, right? You know, I mean,
hey,
you look at those like.
Too long. We only got
hold on, no. I'm Katie Couric this whole interview, all right? So, you know, when I go to see like motorcycle competitions, right? That's what I like to see. I like to see the motorcycles do their wheelies or whatever. I want to see monster trucks crush cars.
I like going to a buffet and seeing a buffet.
Yeah.
Is that kind of the same?
When I hear buffet, I think buffet, and that's what I want to see.
This one's good.
Matt's happy with it. Gains his approval. Your speedster champion of the world.
for that over there.
World champ. World champ.
World champ. We got a container covered in dirt over there. Cars. More cars. Going backflip?
No, you are. You're gonna do backflip off that. You're gonna come around there and through the middle.
You're gonna hit this?
$5 grand. $5 grand. I'll flip it. So we do Chicago style. Come over this set of cars. Go around that pole. Hit that set of cars over there. Come back around the pole and finish on this set of cars.
Oh man, yeah. That's what's up.
That's what's up.
I like your plan. I like that plan.
That's the plan.
That's right.
So Matt found a gold mine. He got a vacuum cleaner, jumper cables, a phone.
Oh
man. Tool set.
Headphones. No, you can use this for your phone. Dude, it's brand new.
Still smells new. Still smells new.
Bro.
Got some
Hello.
laundry detergent,
Diapers.
spray paint.
Ooh, protective wipes. It's like going to the Dollar General. It's like going to the Dollar General. You need that.
Yes, I do.
Are you kidding me?
Attitude problem.
Hey, what you doing to my phone, man? I was about to I just grabbed my chargers, man. God dang.
Man, that was a hell of an acting job.
Wow, man. What's up with you?
Seriously, look at this. Is some good stuff here. Like, yeah, I could be out front selling this on the side of the road.
Look at this.
We're just doing a yard sale.
Junk car yard sale.
You gotta make money somehow.
No, for real, take them cords because I always seem my radio always seems like I can always use some cords. Man.
Always use cords. Never
Look at that. Look at that vacuum, man. He just got a brand new vacuum.
Alright, heading down for pit party now. Rushing around like crazy today. It's finally starting to cool down a little bit. Let's go out here and meet these great Illinois Land of Lincoln fans. You guys ready for the show? Yeah! Oh yeah, that's what I like to hear. Don't cheer for this guy.
I'm cheering for him.
Don't cheer for Bigfoot. Come on, man. Yeah, cheer for that truck over there.
Yeah, I'm cheering for all you guys.
Alright, cool, dude. Alright, so pit party wrapped up, and now we're just getting ready to go do intros here in the next 5 minutes or so. Looks like a fun little track, decent little crowd. It's just a small little place in the middle of nowhere, basically, so it's just going to be a good time. Hopefully. These last couple little shows haven't been that great a time, so I think we're having a good night here tonight. Wheelie contest.
Two-wheel skills for us.
Two-wheel skills. Not what he was looking for.
They didn't get the flex capacitor turned in enough.
Oh, that's what it is.
So.
Well, it's intermission now. Did two-wheel skill in the beginning. Matt won that. The ramp was just kind of going away and I couldn't get it up into the popper, so I didn't do too good at that. Then I went into racing, had a bye run in the first round. Then I discovered my steering still isn't working properly. It's still seizing up and I really can't yank or do the wheel work that I need to do, and it's just aggravating. So I went to the second round with Mark Hall. He got me. You know, they're making a lot of power, plus I just cannot steer, and it's just getting aggravating, guys. I just do not know what this steering issue is, and it needs to work itself out soon. It's getting very frustrating. So it's intermission. We got freestyle coming up. I go last in freestyle, so I'm just going to do the best I can and do a good show for these fans and just try to have some fun, I guess. Alright guys, we just finished up, got done autographs, we took home the freestyle win. Luckily I was still able to get something done. I'm still having a hard time steering this thing. I'm actually starting to think it's the orbital that's going bad on this. It's the hydraulic box that's on the end of our steering column, and it divides and puts the fluid into where it needs to go and tells the wheels where to go and all that. So I think the orbital is going bad. I'm gonna get through tomorrow's show because I can just still get it done. I just have to let go of the steering wheel when I land because it's wanting to jerk the wheel out of my hand. So I'm gonna end this video now, guys. We have a show tomorrow and we'll pick this up in a different video. So please share, like, and subscribe. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. We're up to 6,000 some subscribers now, and I appreciate all you guys and thanks for all the support. So I will catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.